Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. For today's vlog, tungkol po sa anong pong sports news, kung ano naman ang entertainment news this week sa ating current events. But subscribe now to YouTube channel. At alamin kung bakit gusto kong like, shares, comments, and views para mas marami na tayo ng subscribers. Paabutin tayo ng 140 subscribers. For our this week's vlog, 169 and episode 169 entitled Sports Entertainment News. Here's your vlog. Okay, simulan natin. Una muna natin sa sports news. Watch this. Sa good news, the National University Lady Bulldogs champion na sa season 84 ng UAAP after 65 long years since 1957 season ng UAAP. Sa UAAP is a Banday champion na ang NU for the second title na to or sa third title. Dahil ang champion kasi is NU kasi undefeated na yung season pero wala siyang naitalo at na-champion na. 16-0 and sweet for NU. Ang finals MVP na si Princess Robles habang ang MVP of the season and the Rookie of the Year na si Micaela Velez. Plus, the second runner-up goes to Ateneo Lady Eagles and the first runner-up to the De La Salle Lady Spiders. Sayang, champion na sana. But congratulations to the La Salle Lady Spiders. Now, for the bad news about the La Salle team owned club, F2 Logistics, hindi na siya kasali sa Premier Volleyball League. Ang lungkot kasi sa F2 Logistics. Okay. According to the F2 staff, decided hindi na kasali sa Invitational Conference ng Premier Volleyball League kasi may dalawang guest team from Japan and Thailand, or Taiwan. Maglalaban-laban na yung July 9. So, 7 teams na lang. At kasi hindi nakasali ang volunteer sa Premier Volleyball League. Pero next conference, including F2 Logistics, imports naman tayo for the Reinforced Conference na yung fourth quarter for the year 2022. Well, come back stronger, F2. We love you. Now, going back to entertainment news tayo. Paunin natin. Bukas na ang Idol Philippines Season 2! Ang full trainer ng Idol Philippines, potential to be part of Final 12 like Nisha Verdana, Miko Estrada, Brian Chong of The Boys Teens, Bren Binonia from the former MLF for Remember, and others like Angelica K. De Guzman. Yan ang ating prediction to be part of Final 12. Bukas na din ang Idol Philippines Season 2, Saturday, Sunday, 7 p.m. Kapamilya Channel, Kapamilya Online, 8 sa Channel 11, and TV5, Saturdays, 8:30 p.m. and Sunday, 9 p.m. Plus, the pilot episode tomorrow ng Flower of Evil. Makakaroon siya ng advance manonood ng Flower of Evil sa BIU streaming app ng Thursday and Friday. And watch na po mapapanood through the TV tomorrow, 9 p.m. sa A-Z and Kapamilya Channel. And support na natin sa mga ABS-CBN shows on the social media. Oh, Family Affairs sa Lunes na. Iba na Alawi, leading role. And thank you, ABS-CBN, for helping us and support. And that's it for this week's vlog. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. God bless.